Good morning, everybody. This is Patrick Montesdeoca with the Equity Management Academy Live Trading Room here at Ticket Talker platform. The gold market trading last at 1286.80, up about 540. The average price is 1285 coming into today. The extreme above the average price of sell 1 is 1289. The sell 2 level is 1297. The market has activated a bullish trend momentum by trading above the average price of 1285, activating the target of 1289 to 1297. A close below 1285 would activate the bearish trend momentum, negating this bullishness and activating the target below of 1277 to 1272. Let's take a look at the silver market. The silver market is trading last at 1479.50, down about 6 3/4 cents. The average price, as we come into today, is 1490. The market has activated a buy signal from the extreme below the mean of buy 2 at 1474. It has met the initial target of 1480. And a close about 1480 using the 15-minute bar would activate the mean target of 1490. You can trail your stop if you entered the position early this morning, or you can reduce your position if you have multiples at 1480. You can add to your position on a close about 1480 with a target of 1490. Let's take a look at the E-mini S&P. Trading last at 28.46, down 41 points. The market average price for today is 28.85, and the extreme below the mean of buy 2 is 28.54. The buy 1 is 28.71. We can clearly see that the market has reverted back down to below the B2 level of 28.54 by making a low of 28.4275, trading last at 28.44 1/4. The market is extremely oversold in technical terms at the buy 2 extreme level below the mean. What we're looking for is for the price to come back up above and close above 28.54 to activate a buy trigger point from the buy 2 level. The market right now is testing basically the weekly levels of support that we have into the what appears to be even on the weekly, we are extremely oversold. 28.76 is the weekly, and the monthly level is 28.76 to 28.04. So we are in a very important level of demand, it appears, on the E-mini, on the daily, weekly, and monthly level, and we're looking for reversions back up, activating buy signals. For the day, a close about 28.54 would activate a long trigger point. For the weekly, a close about 28.76. This has been the VC PMI early bird update for May 9th, 2019.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our variable changing price momentum indicator, VC PMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VCPMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VCPMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VCPMI algorithm. The VCPMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VCPMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VCPMI? The VCPMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VCPMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VCPMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit ema2trade.com for more details.